Hello and welcome back to the workbook guide for grade 2A maths. Today our quote is, "The beautiful thing about learning is that no one can take it away from you." So anything you learn from your teachers, anything you learn at school from your parents, or anything you learn in life, it's always with you. It's in your brain, it's in your head. And this will be with you forever. It's not like things you buy or things you eat, they come and go. But everything you learn is always with you. And you can use it anytime in your life. So, with that, let's have a look at page number 15. Here we have a fruit stand with some apples, oranges, pears, and bananas. A couple of tips and something to be careful about here. So make sure when you're counting apples, they are clear. And when you're counting oranges, they are the ones with the dots on. Also, each tray will contain 10 of a particular fruit. And at the top, each bunch of bananas will also be a bunch of 10. So you're either counting in 10s or 1s. And also, be careful, there are also some bananas in the basket here. So add them each together, and then write the numbers here, here, and here. Page number 16. Fill in the blanks. So this is all about 10s and 1s place value. So I'm going to give you a quick example at the side to help you with this page. So if we have, let's say, for example, the number 23. So in your place values, here you would have your 10s and your 1s. So your 1s are always on the right, then the bigger the place value gets goes this way. So next it would be 100s, but we're only doing 1s and 10s for now. So the 3 is in the 1's place value, and the 2 is in the 10's place value. But if I ask you what the value of each number is, for 1s, the value of the 1s is going to be the same. It's just going to be 3. However, the value of 2 10s is not 2. The value of 2 10s is 20. And added together, you get back to the total, which is 23. Okay? So, the first question, it just wants you to split the 10s and the 1s. Then same again, or slightly different. 6 10s and 0 1s equals how much? And then number 3, what is the value of the digit 9 in each of the following numbers? So check whether the 9 is in the 10s or the 9's place value. If it's in the 1's place value, it's just worth 9. If it's in the 10's place value, remember to put a 0 on the end to get the value in 10s. Question 4. So you have 3, 4, 5 boxes. If the sentence is correct, you put a tick. If it's not, you can put an X or just leave it blank. So the first one, 78 equals 78 10s and 0 1s. Is that correct or is it wrong? Then 32 equals 32 1s. In the number 68, the digit 8 has a value of 8. The digit 9 in the number 94 is in the 1's place value. Then the digit 7 in the number 70 stands for 7 10s. So use this as a guide in the example on the left, and it should help you answer all the questions on this page. Page number 17, match the position to the correct person in the queue. So the front of the queue is here, work from here backwards, and you've just got to draw the lines to match the dots for the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth person. Similar in the race here, finish line here. You can see this is the person in front, then all the way to the back here. So you got to say who is second, write the name of the person that's second here. Then who is between Min and Tom? So look where Min and Tom is and write the person who's in between here. And then finally, describe Tom's position. So for this one, you would say Tom is in something place. So it would be Tom is in and then something place. So what place do you think he's in? You can fill in the blank there. Next page, number 18. 4 boys are taking part in a rope climbing race. Look at their positions now. So the boys are trying to climb from the bottom to the top. So the boy in the highest position will be in first, and the boy in the lowest position will be in last. So who is last? Write the name here. Who is second? The second highest here. And then describe Siva's position. So for describing Siva's position, it would be something like Siva is something. And then if we look where Siva is, we can see we have Ali and Ken there. So Siva is something, Ali, and Ken. So what do you think the missing word there might be? I'll give you a clue. You can find a similar question on the page before this, and the missing word is written there if you need help spelling it as well. I won't tell you what it is, but have a look on page 17. Okay, number 18. Circle the 8th lollipop. So the first one's there. Simply count along and circle the 8th one. Final page today. Circle the 3rd book. Be careful again because they have written first here. So you're going to have to count from this way across that way. Number 10. Colour the 5th and 7th bags from the right. So decide which bag is on the right and count from that direction 5 and then 7 and then colour them in. Any colour is fine. Now on this one, colour the 4th cat from the left. So start from the left, count up to 4th and then colour that cat in. Okay, that's the end of the workbook guide for today. We'll have some more for the next section soon. Goodbye for now.